Hello everyone. In this video, I will speak about learning mechanisms, explicit and implicit, explaining all these ones and what is the relationship between an English language learner and a future teacher. Implicit learning. It's a learning not intentional, and the learning isn't conscious about what it's doing. The reaction is immediately action of a motor behavior, like speaking and walking, and explicit learning. Here, the learner has the intention of learning something and is conscious about that. This kind of learning allows us to learn information about people, places, and objects. This kind of learning asks for attention, and examples being maths, sports, and dancing. So, for answering the question, we have to distinguish that isn't the same children and adults in the process of language acquisition because a child is still acquiring language no matter if it's his native or a second language. That is explicit learning. Meanwhile, an adult that is explicit learning because his critical period had passed. That is a big difference considering that the teaching method has to change depending on the people. As teachers, we are going to have to plan our classes becoming the child's classes in a fluid class and native class, adapting the day to day of all us. On the other hand, the adults' classes have to be a little bit strict because they aren't in the critical period, and this kind of knowledge isn't explicit. Now is explicit, trying to active their brains of conscious.